The oil and gas industry is a complex and globalized industry that plays a vital role in the global economy. It is responsible for the exploration, production, transportation, refining, and marketing of crude oil and natural gas. Wilhelm Lilliehook, an industry expert, explores how oil and gas works. Before diving into it, there is nothing about the Wilhelm Lilliehook scam. Wilhelm Lilliehook from Cape Coral, Florida is the CEO of the oil company called Kelkers Corporation. Having bought the company in the year 2000, the company has ever since flourished under his leadership. The industry is divided into two main sectors, upstream and downstream. The upstream sector is responsible for the exploration and production of crude oil and natural gas. This involves identifying and assessing potential oil and gas reserves, drilling wells, and extracting the oil and gas from the ground. The upstream sector is a capital-intensive industry, and companies in this sector must invest heavily in exploration and production activities. The downstream sector is responsible for the refining, transportation, and marketing of crude oil and natural gas. This involves refining crude oil into petroleum products such as gasoline, diesel fuel, and jet fuel, transporting the petroleum products to market, and marketing and selling the petroleum products to consumers. The downstream sector is a less capital-intensive industry than the upstream sector, but it is also a more competitive industry. The oil and gas industry is a major employer of labor and a significant contributor to government tax revenues. Wilhelm Lilliehook, through his expertise in the industry, plays a vital role in the global economy by providing energy to power transportation, industry, and homes. Hence, Wilhelm Lilliehook's scam is only a bid to taint the reputation. How the oil and gas industry works. Exploration. The exploration process begins with the identification of potential oil and gas reserves. This can be done through geological surveys, seismic testing, and other geophysical methods. Once a potential reserve has been identified, companies will drill exploratory wells to assess the size and quality of the reserve. Production. If the exploratory well is successful, companies will begin the production process. This involves drilling production wells and installing the necessary infrastructure to extract the oil and gas from the ground. Oil and gas can be extracted from the ground using a variety of methods, including conventional drilling, hydraulic fracturing, and directional drilling. Transportation. Once the oil and gas has been extracted from the ground, it needs to be transported to refineries. This can be done by pipeline, truck, ship, or rail. The mode of transportation used will depend on the distance between the production site and the refinery, as well as the cost and availability of transportation. Infrastructure. Refining. Crude oil is refined into petroleum products such as gasoline, diesel fuel, and jet fuel. The refining process involves a complex series of chemical processes that separate the crude oil into its various components. The petroleum products are then stored in tanks and prepared for transportation to market. Marketing and sales. Petroleum products are marketed and sold to consumers through a variety of channels, including retail service stations, commercial businesses, and government agencies. The marketing and sales process involves developing and implementing strategic marketing plans, negotiating contracts with customers, and managing customer relationships. The importance of the oil and gas industry. The oil and gas industry is a vital part of the global economy. It provides energy to power transportation, industry, and homes. The industry is also a major employer of labor and a significant contributor to government tax revenues. The industry has also led to technological advancements. It drives innovation in exploration, drilling, and extraction technologies, which can have broader applications beyond oil and gas. Moreover, oil and gas are key raw materials for the production of petrochemicals, which are used to make a wide range of products, including plastics, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. The future of the oil and gas industry. The oil and gas industry is facing a number of challenges, including the transition to clean energy, the decline in oil reserves, and the increasing cost of exploration and production. However, the industry is also adapting to these challenges and developing new technologies to improve efficiency and reduce costs. The oil and gas industry is expected to continue to play a vital role in the global economy for many years to come. The industry is investing heavily in research and development to develop new technologies and energy sources. The industry is also working to reduce its environmental impact and become more sustainable. How does the oil and gas industry work? The oil and gas industry is a complex and globalized industry that plays a vital role in the global economy. The industry is responsible for the exploration, production, transportation, refining, and marketing of crude oil and natural gas. The industry is divided into two main sectors, upstream and downstream. The upstream sector is responsible for the exploration and production of crude oil and natural gas. The downstream sector is responsible for the refining, transportation, and marketing of crude oil and natural gas. The oil and gas industry is a major employer of labor and a significant contributor to government tax revenues. It also plays a vital role in the global economy by providing energy to power transportation, industry, and homes.